Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to add a white border to photos using Canva. Learn how to effortlessly add white border to your photos with Canva. Follow the step-by-step guide to achieve the look shown here. First, launch Canva and upload your desired photo. To remove background, use Canva Pro's Edit Image, Remove Background feature. If your photo doesn't have a background, skip this step. Optionally, use the Erase brush to refine edges or remove unwanted parts. After finalizing edits, select Apply and wait for the photo to be re-uploaded. Then, adding the white border. First, change the background color for visibility purposes. Here, orange is chosen. Select the photo to navigate to Edit Image. And to activate the shadow feature, if it's not in your recently used tools, connect it from Canva's suggested tools. Choose the glow option, then adjust. You can adjust the size on your desired amount. Adjust the blur amount to 0. Then, adjust intensity to 100. You can modify the outline size and color. For this guide, white is selected, but you can pick any color. In conclusion, with these simple steps, you've now added a stylish white outline to your photo using Canva. If you found this guide valuable, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, see ya!